Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can create an account on CamScanner. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open CamScanner application on your Android device. At the homepage of CamScanner, you can see Me icon on bottom of right corner. You tap on it. There in top, you can see sign in/register. You need to tap on it. To get registered into the CamScanner, first of all you need to either provide your email address or mobile number. As I'm going to provide my email address, tap on next. Now here you need to provide a password for the CamScanner account. Then you need to tap on send activation email, where CamScanner will send a verification code on your provided email address. So you need to go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the CamScanner. Here you can see a mail from CamScanner on very top. You need to tap and open the mail. There you can see a verify email and also the code. You also can go with just tapping on verify email, or you can go with the code given, as I'm going to tap on verify email. And with that you have created an account on CamScanner for yourself. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an account on CamScanner. Thank you.